He ate my sandwich, and there's no more bread at home. You're mean. You're mean. You're mean. You're mean. No, you're mean. That was my sandwich. What do I eat now? Huh? He just opened the door on his own, and he just got on the bed. Perfect. Yeah, you ate my breakfast, you opened my door all uninvited, and then you come on my bed. You're a pain in my butt. You're a pain in the butt. But yeah. Anyway, so I'm gonna just do the laundry. He doesn't eat it first. He has history of doing that, especially socks and pants. After walking the dog and folding my laundry, I decided to sit down and journal all my thoughts. I haven't gotten the chance to do it lately, so I thought it will be really helpful for me to write everything down, just so I can figure out my emotions better. As you can see later in the video, at one point I got so carried away that I just continued writing like my life depended on it. Then I started studying for my exams and I had a mental breakdown. Again, microeconomics is not something easy, so of course I had a little mental breakdown, but we're good. We got this. Of course, right after having a little rest, I continued with studying. I actually had fun studying for this. It's really interesting for me personally. Don't look at my notes, they're messy. Then, as usual, I started with my skincare routine. My skin has been really dry and full of pimples these days, so I decided to treat it a little bit with two of my favorite moisturizers. Wow, again I did nothing today except just sit at home, try to learn 3 months of coursework in one night, and I do not know what to do with my life. Existential crisis again. But at least this time I'm uploading my video on time, and I look like an egg. Shiny egg with bad skin. Whatever.